So as anybody knows, YouTube has been the top of all the video platforms for years now. But is there something better than YouTube? Well, I've done many videos about this in the past. And so if you've been around long enough, you might have heard like platforms like VidMe, Dailymotion, and for some companies like Vimeo, they're still around kind of, but they're not really a competitor to YouTube. And then here in 2023, we still have other competitors like Odyssey, BitChute, and most recently, Rumble. So with all that said, is there something better than YouTube? The short answer is no. When it actually comes to having reach, being the most biggest and powerful video platform around, I don't think anybody is going to even come close to them, at least not right now, or maybe even many years in the future, because I have done videos like 6 or 7 years ago, and honestly I kind of thought maybe these other companies, platforms might have a chance, but all of them disappeared or is basically barely surviving. And about the only platform recently that I think has a shot, maybe not beating YouTube, but actually being a nice alternative, is Rumble. I actually have my content on that platform, and I really do love that platform in terms of the overall freedom that it gives to creators, and kind of going back to the basics of creating, meaning creating without as many limitations and restrictions as we have in YouTube right now. And going forward, I kind of feel it's going to be even harder and harder for creators to actually do the type of content that they actually want to. And so that's kind of where I see things right now. I would love to say, just leave YouTube and go to something like Rumble. But honestly, for most people, that's really not going to be an option, especially if they actually make money from YouTube. So if you actually had any thoughts on this or any other platforms that you think might be better than YouTube, be sure to leave in the comments area below. And if you did want to see my entire YouTube journey and other videos related to creators, I do have an entire playlist. I'll leave that in the description area below as well. For serious YouTubers, check out TubeBuddy, the premier tool news at geekoutdoors.com. Get more done today by checking out the affiliate link in the description area below.